Hey, I'm Nico with Blue Demon. Let's get it. Today we're going to be talking about Blue Demon's TrueView 6700. As you can see, we have two versions. The limited edition includes a side graphic, and the original does not.
Designed to be lightweight and well balanced, the hood only weighs 1.1 pounds.
Now let's take a more in-depth look at the controls. This hood ranges from shades 5 to 13. As you can see on the shade slider, there are two numbers on each dial. To get from shades 5 to 9, flip your slider to the left. From 9 to 13, flip your slider to the right. The delay slider can be set to a minimum of 0.15 of a second and a maximum of 0.80 of a second. The hood also features a sensitivity slider from low, medium, and high. Depending on the environment you're welding in, the hood also has a low light and highlight welding function.
For those of you who prefer a cheater lens, one can easily be placed in the viewing area. The TrueView 6700 has an extra large viewing area, measuring out at 3.94 inches by 2 3/4. The helmet can go quickly from welding to cutting with the push of a button, conveniently located on the outside. On the filter, there are 4 light detecting sensors.
The hood features 1:1:1 clarity.
The 6700 has super comfortable adjustable headgear so you can weld all day long.
Hey, thanks for watching. Check out BlueDemonWelding.com to find a Blue Demon dealer near you. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll get back to you ASAP.